Irresistible homemade strawberry blueberry chocolate lava cake recipe. Hey, foodies! Welcome back to Multi-Recipes and Cookeries channel. Today we have a treat for your taste buds, homemade strawberry blueberry chocolate lava cake. Let's jump right in. Here's what you'll need. 1 cup fresh strawberries, diced. Half cup fresh blueberries. 1 cup high-quality dark chocolate, chopped. Half cup unsalted butter. 1/4 cup all-purpose flour. Half cup powdered sugar. 3 large eggs. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. A pinch of salt. Now, let's get started on the preparation. Step 1. Preheat the oven. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit 190 degrees Celsius. Grease your ramekins with butter and lightly dust with flour. Step 2. Melt chocolate and butter. In a heat-proof bowl, melt the dark chocolate and butter together. You can use a double boiler or microwave in 30-second intervals, stirring until smooth. Step 3. Mix dry ingredients. In a separate bowl, whisk together flour, powdered sugar, and a pinch of salt. Step 4. Combine wet and dry ingredients. Add the melted chocolate butter mixture to the dry ingredients. Mix well. Step 5. Add eggs and vanilla. Add eggs one at a time, ensuring each is fully incorporated before adding the next. Then, add vanilla extract and mix until smooth. Step 6. Add berries. Gently fold in diced strawberries and blueberries to the batter. Step 7. Fill ramekins. Divide the batter equally among the prepared ramekins. Step 8. Bake. Bake in the preheated oven for 12 to 15 minutes or until the edges are set but the center is still gooey. And there you have it, our homemade strawberry blueberry chocolate lava cake. But before you indulge, did you know that strawberries and blueberries are rich in antioxidants, while dark chocolate is known for its mood-boosting properties? Ingredients and preparations methods are in the description box. Here are some potential benefits associated with the ingredients used in the recipe. Antioxidant-rich berries. Strawberries and blueberries, both berries are packed with antioxidants, such as anthocyanins, which may help protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. Mood-boosting dark chocolate. Dark chocolate. High-quality dark chocolate contains compounds that can positively impact mood and reduce stress. Additionally, it releases endorphins, the feel-good hormones. Nutrient-dense ingredients. Berries provide essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Dark chocolate contains minerals like iron, magnesium, and copper. Rich in flavor, lower in sugar. Homemade control. Making the lava cake at home allows you to control the sugar content, opting for less refined sugars or natural sweeteners. Potential cardiovascular benefits. Berries and dark chocolate. Some studies suggest that the consumption of berries and dark chocolate may contribute to heart health by positively influencing factors like blood pressure and cholesterol levels. Enjoyable source of dietary pleasure. Moderation and balance. While it's important to consume such treats in moderation, the occasional indulgence in a homemade dessert can contribute to a balanced and enjoyable diet. Remember, the key is moderation, and it's always a good idea to consider individual dietary needs and preferences. Enjoying a delicious homemade dessert can be a part of a well-balanced lifestyle. So not only are you treating your taste buds, but you're also giving your body a little health boost. Win-win. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe our Multi-Recipes and Cookeries channel for more deliciousness, and hit that notification bell, so you never miss a treat. Until next time, happy baking! Thank you very much homemade strawberry blueberry chocolate lava cake lovers.